Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. And we're back.
We're back. You know what it is. It's football Sundays.
Oh, I was thinking we were talking about English Premier League because that's football.
What?
Ma'am, like English football, like what the world considers football?
Ain't nobody got time for football.
You ready for some football?
Whatever. Okay, here's the. What were you about to say?
I was gonna sing the Monday night thing, but go ahead.
I kind of. Sorry, I kind of messed her stuff up.
I'll let you have it, cause you know. Go ahead.
Anywho, all right, listen. Football or football, whichever one you do, American football.
Game day Sunday.
It's game day, okay? And so when we are thinking of game day, we are here with our appetizers, we are here with our wings, and we are here to get shit-faced.
We can hang with the fellas.
Yeah, we can. And for some reason, this one decided, let me look up the strongest drink ever.
Man. But the crazy part about it is, what is the name?
Aunt Roberta, child.
What? Yeah. Talk about the.
I don't know whose auntie came up with this recipe, but she wild, bro.
Listen,
She
I'm just
wild.
saying, she is mixed, or she has to be related to Lolita.
She has to be related to Lolita because, like, okay, real quick, we'll give you the breakdown of what is in this, and you'll see it's just liquor, okay?
Straight liquor.
Okay, it's got vodka, it's got gin, it's got absinthe,
What ya?
it's got brandy,
Oh my.
and it's got blackberry liqueur, because that's supposed to be the mixer.
Blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice.
Yeah, well, yeah. She blacking in the motherfucker too.
So basically, y'all, what we're doing is drinking straight liquor.
I think we got it. We
Before-
can hang with the fellas.
Listen,
You don't think so?
I mean, we can. We some drinking chicks. I don't even know if some of the fellas could handle this.
Yeah.
So-
Let us know in the comments how it turned out for you.
So before we start, our practice is if there's any liquor we have not yet tasted, we gotta taste it. So this particular brand of brandy, which is 1889 Royale, very smooth, it says.
Right.
We're gonna taste that real quick. You already saw what we thought of absinthe, so we ain't doing that again. Freaking Dr. Bronner soap. That's what that was.
Oh, that's what I like. Good. Yeah.
I mean, you know, it's brandy, like, you know, how bad could it be?
It can go bad.
Oh, okay. It's kind of sweet. I mean, brandy's sweet, but like, you know, it's, I don't know, what did you think?
It's sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that might not be too bad, but mixed with all of this, it might be death.
What is that?
Okay, so now this is the Blackberry Liqueur. This is by Drillard. I don't know. She French, or he, I don't know. And 15% alcohol, they say.
It's wine.
This is the communion juice. This is what they serve at the Catholic churches.
Wow.
Because, you know, at the Baptist churches and stuff, they do the Welch's because they don't really do the liquor. And then I think the Catholic joint be real wine, bro. It's at least Taylor Port. It's at least Taylor. Can't tell me. Anyway, I don't know. You Catholics tell me. Catholic folk, jump in the comments. What's the wine consist of? Okay, I mean.
Oh, it tastes like Roberta.
Is it bad that I didn't think it was like that bad? I didn't think it was like that bad. I don't know. Okay, guys, we're gonna begin assembly.
Oh, child.
Oh my God. My God, my God. I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let's start with the vodka.
Here you go.
Thank you. 3 ounces of this.
What?
I said what I said.
We didn't even get through anything else yet. 3 ounces of the one thing that I really don't. Matter of fact,
Your fave.
one of the things that I don't like on this spread right now.
So that's my 3.
So that means I gotta do 6 of these. Child.
Oh, because you got the little stubby joint.
I got the. I don't know who came up with this.
Oh,
I lost count.
what?
I think it.
We gonna call it. We gonna call it, bruh. We gonna call it.
I'm gonna do a half a cap just to make sure.
Lord Jesus and my God. Oh my God. 2 ounces of the absinthe.
We have 2 ounce. I mean, we have 5 ounces of Amsterdam.
Amsterdam. Oh, the Amsterdam, right?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I know. 2 ounces. That's 4 caps of this. Child.
Yeah. Oh, do you have room in your shaker?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
What? Your thing looks deceiving.
It does. It's just, yeah. Pass the gin, please.
Oh gosh.
Luckily,
5 ounces of liquor so far. What do they normally do? 3 ounces, the max,
Yeah.
typically. Oh gosh.
1 ounce of gin.
This is about to be a oneer and a dunner. You know.
Well, by the way, that's the thing that it said about this cocktail
What is
is 1 ounce.
Okay.
So it was saying is like, obviously you cannot generally find this particular recipe on the menu of any restaurant, probably because it's like Satan's breath or something. I don't know. Like who came up with this? Roberta, we gotta talk.
Alcoholic.
Okay, one ounce of the brandy.
Okay, I'm sorry. We're 3 ounce, 2 ounce, that's 5. 1 ounce, we're 6. And how much is this?
1 ounce of the brandy.
7 ounce. Oh, Jesus.
My God. I don't even know who came up. Like who came up with this?
I'm starting to think Roberta's one of my ancestors.
But which ancestor
Rolling
is
with the
this?
Tubman crew.
Man. Okay, and last but not least, 1 ounce of the Blackberry Liqueur.
So we 7 ounces of straight liquor.
There is no chaser in here. So I want you guys to be aware that if you're gonna drink this, you only need 1 of this.
What is this?
1 ounce of that.
7.5 ounces. Oh my gosh, I can't even think straight. Oh.
Okay. So we are now gonna shake until chilled. Oh,
Can you imagine what?
I don't know.
Can you
Just
imagine if you go to the bar and say,
I said, yo, let me get that Aunt Roberta.
they gonna look at you like you crazy.
they be like, wait, what's that?
What
Pretty much
is
everything
it?
you got on the shelf.
This is not even a Long Island iced tea.
This is probably worse.
This is not a Blue Motorcycle. This actually might be worse than that.
I think my ice has melted with all this liquor. I don't even hear it.
If they had asked me to put 151 in here, I would have walked away. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Okay. Oh my God. The color is pretty.
Oh my
Girl.
God.
Girl.
Gotta bring it back down. Bring it back down.
Yeah, bring it down. Bring it down. I'm gonna help this.
So, I gotta figure out this whole top thing because my hand smells like medicine.
Yeah, we're gonna wash our hands after. Yeah. Okay.
Let us pray.
Pray that I don't get fucked up. Okay. My God.
Oh, I can't even pick this up.
It's pretty. I'll say it's pretty.
Woo! I'm about to do what they do in medieval times. No hands.
Okay.
Or they do hands.
Oh, okay. Here we go.
Drink it, my lord.
My God. Why?
Did I just drink?
What is this? Is this motor oil? Oh, okay. I'll start. Other than it being pretty, that's about it. I mean, at least make it taste good. The 2 ounces of absinthe are seeping through. Is Dr. Bronner's soap in a drink? Oh, and I'm getting that black licorice. Was like, what? All right, listen. I'm gonna try to break it down. Okay, focus. Listen. It is definitely the strongest drink. I can assure you, if you have one of these, you will end up on the side of the road after getting jacked because you done passed out on the streets or some bum done stole your wallet and your clothes because you wore your good Jordans out. You're gone. You're not even with us no more, okay? That's what it is. And this is a 3. This is a 3. I don't know who decided. Listen, a Long Island actually tastes okay, despite having a lot of liquor. This don't even taste good. It's like motor oil. I don't understand. Like, please proceed.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know how I didn't like the Bloody Mary or the Dirty Martini?
Oh.
Well, this is one step up from a Dirty Martini, only because it has some type of taste to it. It's nasty as okay? I wouldn't recommend this, not to my worst enemy. Actually, you know what? Yeah, no, I can't even recommend this to my worst enemy. This tastes like straight up healing medicine in the backwoods somewhere. Like, it's burning my esophagus right now.
This ain't it.
This is not it. I don't like this. And with that being said, I'm giving this a 1. I don't like it. I don't like the taste. I don't want to feel like when I drink my drinks that I'm getting medically, what's the word I'm looking for?
I feel like you will fail several drug tests upon drinking this, okay? So if your job is one of them that like tests you randomly, don't drink this at any point because you failed all the
Like
you failed
Amber used to
all
say,
of them.
don't do that. Don't do that.
God. Medically cleansed, like listen, I don't know what I'm being cleansed from. What I mean, you know what?
You've been cleansed of all your sins.
If you have been possessed, drink this. The devil jump out himself. He don't want no parts of this. The devil say, you know what? Let me get up out of here.
Roberta,
Okay.
I'm so sorry for whatever you had to go through.
Who did you wrong? Was it Mister? Did Mister do you wrong? I don't understand.
I don't understand what Aunt Roberta went through, but I do not want to go through that ever again. Ever again.
Listen.
Nope.
Go ahead and like and comment. And you definitely want to subscribe. But because we tried it, we need a brave soul to try this with us. Because
I prefer a man because, you know, I don't want y'all to say, oh, because y'all females, I can't take it. No. Come have a drink with us.
come
Literally.
sit down at the table and get cleansed.
Yeah.
Because this is who, by the way, is anyone having more than one of these? If you did, you die.
This
I don't
will
even
make
think
you
if you
speak.
get drunk, you just die. It's
What
just the next one is
ancestors speak, the Negro spirituals.
the ancestor only drinks half of this.
I can't.
Even the hooch they used to make in jail is not as complicated as
First
this.
of all, I'm sorry. I was about to end this, but what is a hooch? And why do you know anything about jail?
I don't know about jail, but I'm just saying, listen, it's like their own type of like moonshine or whatever, you know, that they ferment whatever they can and make alcohol out of it.
In jail?
Yeah. I ain't been there. I got a clean record.
You might have a clean record, but
Did you not watch Orange is the New Black? They talk about it.
I stopped that after like the second season. I'm sorry.
Whoa, the hate. We'll
I'm
talk
sorry,
about that later.
but I do know about moonshine, thanks to moonshiners.
That is a
I know you need that.
By the way,
creek water.
that is a fascinating show. You should get into that. But anyway, all right, listen. Like, comment, and subscribe. One of y'all try this, but don't forget to ring that bell because listen, you see how we struggle. I know you want to see us struggle week to week. So go ahead and ring the bell so you can see it firsthand, right when it comes out.
This ain't my auntie.
Nah, this not any of our relative. We don't know who she's related to.
It ain't even Lolita. Lolita had taste. But you know what? Let us know what y'all think about
Please.
it. Comment below and let us know what you think.
I'm gonna go recover my taste buds somewhere.
In the meantime, we'll see you next time.
Deuces.